Good morning, this is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm back out here at Bob Howard Chrysler Dodge Ram. I just left Toyota, Bob Howard Toyota, and I'm back here. They got 3 new trucks, farm fresh, right off the farm. I call them because they still got the plastic in them inside the cabs. Here's one right here. I like this little one right here. This little Jeep. Going to get an inspection. That's where they inspect them, right down there where he's going. They take him right in there and inspect him, then they release him to the owners. And I found out all of these 2 trucks and that little Jeep, they've already been sold. All they got to do is inspect them and move them on out of here. So let's go. Let's see what they got here today. Yeah, I just left Bob Howard Toyota, and since I was close by, it's only like 2 blocks away. I just came out here to see what they got here. It's a turbo diesel. Let me get the inside right quick before you take it away. Let's see, farm fresh. Told you. Farm fresh. Got the keys right here. All right, check that out. That's right. Turbo diesel, heavy duty. I love it when they get them in farm fresh. I get to see them before the owners get to see them. I can't get it, it's too dark. The tent's too dark, so. Yeah, they darkening these tents, these windows. I can't get in like I used to. On the used one I get in, but these new ones, man, they come. Look at that, man. It smells fresh in there. Look at this big screen right there. Big screen right there. Get back here. Got all these goodies back here. That's right. Farm fresh. Let's go back there and see this turbo. Here's another turbo diesel. Let's have a look-see, shall we? Oh yes. Oh yes. Smell the freshness. I like these big screens on it. Look how big this screen is on this truck, man. That is nice. Let's see what's in the glove compartment. Got the manual right there. Here, let me shut this door. Aha! I found some paperwork. Ooh, look at this, 2022. Look at that. Look at that. Seek and ye shall find, brother. 75 G's, okay. Oh, that's my thumb, you see, my finger, my hand right there, so I'm just holding up because they didn't have it in the window. They had it laying down in the back seat trying to hide it from my brother. But Uncle Mike 392 is on the grind. And hidden things I will find. All right, let's look at this. This is going to be a police car from some organization, some police station around here. This is a 2021 Dodge Pursuit. That's right, baby. Pursuit. I'm in hot pursuit. Let's It's a Buford T. Pusser. I'm in hot pursuit. I love that, man. Walking Tall back in the 70s. Not the one with the rock in it. Yeah, it was good, but it wasn't as good as the one, the original one, Walking Tall back in the 70s. Buford T. Pusser. That was a great movie, man. I hate that brother died, man. All right. This is the Laramie. So I'm gonna walk up here and get this Jeep that he pulled in, the orange little Jeep. Since they came in as a package deal, I don't want to leave anything out of the package. Turbo diesel. Okay, let's walk on up here and see what they got. I want to go see this little Jeep up here. Here's the Challenger up here, RT Challenger. Looking nice. Look like it's a shaker. Yeah, look like the shaker. It is the shaker. I knew it. I'm getting better at describing these cars. This is the shaker. That's right. How you doing, sir?
Good.
All right.
You?
Yes, I'm doing fine. Thank you, sir. So let me go in and get this Jeep. Where am I at? I'm at 6. So I'm going to wrap it up at exactly 10. Because I heard it's going to rain out here, and I don't do rain. Because I always feel like I'm out here in the rain, going to slip and fall and hurt myself. I already got a bad hip. But anyway, here's that Jeep that came off the truck. Let's get it on here. And I cannot, oh, okay. This is the 2021 Cherokee Altitude 4, okay, 4-wheel drive, all right. I can't hardly read that because it's just, the window's so tinted. Check that out, Farm Fresh. We're talking Farm Fresh. Oh yeah. Farm Fresh. Even rapid Rams on this thing. Look at that. All right. Let's check it out on the back side. Let's check the back out. See if we can get in here. Oh yeah, we got it. Here we go. That's it. All right, I'm gonna shut it down here. Let me shut this door properly. There you go. All right. And that's it. So let me do one more little thing. Dodge in the house. Look at these clouds out there. Look like it's going to be a tornado, but it's December. This wind is really picking up since I came out here when I was at Bob Howard Tower. It was really picking up now. It's really picked up now. Yes, sir. Yeah, I made a video this morning about me when I was a little boy. That's me on the picture, you guys. I was 7 years old when I was with my mom and dad. I had to kind of crop out my parents where you can see me. I was sitting on my dad's lap. That's why you didn't get all of my face in the. I couldn't get all of my face in the. But you know who it is. It's me when I was 7 years old on my video this morning. I made it this morning, telling you about when I was trying to be Evil Knievel, and I was trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle. I just kept using 2 of the gears, and it had four gears in it. I always use 2, but check that video out, guys. Let me know what you think about it. This is it. I'm gonna wrap this up at 10. And there's Old Glory. There she is. But I'm gonna leave it at One Old Glory. All right, this is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out. You guys have a great weekend. Late.